10-33. So by now you should have watched the demonstration video. So if you haven't done that already, you need to do it. So go back to the video just before this and follow the instructions. If you've watched the video, then let's go ahead and start the problem. How many cones full of popcorn were needed to fill each corresponding? And so by corresponding, we mean that it has the same height and the base is the same size. So how many cones full of popcorn were needed to fill each corresponding cylinder? So here is a big hint from the video. It took 3 cones of popcorn to fill 1 cylinder of the same size base and height. So you would write down here that it took 3 cones full of popcorn to fill in each corresponding cylinder. So that's number 1. Number 2, based on the demonstration, describe how the volume of a cone compares to the volume of a cylinder when their heights and base areas are equal. So we're looking at a situation where you had 3 cones and they were all the same size. So those 3 cones were each filled up, and that's how much it took to, how many cones it took to handle the contents or the volume of 1 cylinder. So if we were going to compare the volume of just one of these to this, we would say that the volume of one of these cones is only 1/3 of this cylinder. So we could say the volume of a cone, and the height and the base has to be equal. The volume of a cone is 1/3 the volume of a corresponding, and that means same size height and same size base, corresponding cylinder.